Hello everyone. So here we shall solve some previous year KCET questions uh, on the chapter sequences and series. So if you have any questions regarding the solution or any other doubts if you are having, then please write us in the comments section. And if you feel that you have more difficulty in any of the chapters, then also please mention the name of that chapter in the comments section so that we can give more priority on it and we can give more and more questions on that particular chapter. Also, the homeworks on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here we shall start off with our very first question, which is Sn, that is equal to 1 by 6 into 11 plus 1 by 11 into 16 plus 1 by 16 into 21 plus till the nth term. So here we can see that 6, 11, 16, these are forming an AP, where the nth term can be found as a plus n minus 1 into d. Here d, the constant difference is 5, so that is into 5, so this will be 5n minus 5 plus 6, that is 5n plus 1. So therefore it will go till 1 by 5n plus 1 into 5n plus 6. So therefore the rth term, the nth term is given as 1 by 5n plus 1 into 5n plus 6. Now this can be written as 1 by 5 into 5n plus 6 minus 5n plus 1 divided by 5n plus 1 into 5n plus 6. So this will be, this can be written as 1 by 5 into 1 by 5n plus 1 minus 1 by 5n plus 6. So this is Tn. So therefore the rth term can be also written as 1 by 5 into 1 by 5r plus 1 minus 1 by 5r plus 6. So therefore Sn is the summation of r terms, summation of the rth term, where r goes from 1 to n. So this will be summation r goes from 1 to n, 1 by 5 into 1 by 5r plus 1 minus 1 by 5r plus 6. So this will be equal to 1 by 5, I can take as common outside. This will be summation r equals to 1 to n, 1 by 5r plus 1 minus 1 by 5r plus 6. So this will be 1 by 5 into, if I put r equal to 1, this will be 1 by 6 minus 1 by 11 plus 1 by, then if I put r equal to 2, this will be 1 by 11 minus 1 by 16 plus, if I put r equal to 3, this will be 1 by 16 minus 1 by 21 plus dot dot plus till it will be 1 by 5n plus 1 minus 1 by 5n plus 6. So now all these terms will cancel out and only the first and the last term will remain. So this will be 1 by 5 into 1 by 6 minus 1 by 5n plus 6. So this will be equal to 1 by 5 into 6 into 5n plus 6 into, this will be 5n plus 6 minus 6. So 6 and 6 will cancel, 5 and 5 will cancel. So Sn is 1 by 6, n by 6 into 5n plus 6. So therefore 6 Sn will be equal to n by 5n plus 6. So it is option B is the correct answer. Then we should solve the question number 20, the question number 2. So here Sn is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11 plus till 1 by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2. So similarly here we can write this as, so we can take 1 by 3 as common, and this we can write 5 minus 2 by 2 into 5, then plus 5 minus 3 into 5 into 3 plus 11 minus 8 into 8 into 11. Sorry, this is 5 into 8. So this is 8 minus 5. Okay. So then plus this we can write it as 3n plus 2 minus 3n plus 2 minus 3n minus 1 divided by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2. So this will be 1 by 3 into this I can write 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5, means actually this is okay 5 minus 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 plus this is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 8, and this is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 11 plus, so at the end it will come 1 by 3n minus 1 minus 1 by 3n plus 2. So all these terms will get cancelled and only the first and the last term will remain. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3n plus 2. So if we simplify it, then we will get 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 and this will be 2n plus 2 minus 2 by 2n plus 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel, 2 and 2 will cancel. So Sn is equal to n by 3 into 2n plus 2, that is 6n plus, sorry this is 2n, sorry this is 3n plus 2, sorry. This is 3n plus 2 minus 2, so 3 and 3 will cancel, 2 will not cancel. So 2 3 is 6, 6n plus 4. So this is the answer. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if n equals to 2020 factorial, then this value is how much? So we know that log m base a, that is equal to, we can also write log of 1 by a base m, and also log b plus log q. Suppose if I have, then we can write it as log pq base a. So this will be log n base 2 1 by plus 1 by log n base 3 plus log plus 1 by log of n base 4 plus till plus 1 by log of n base 2020. So that will be equal to log 2 base n plus log 3 base n plus log 4 base n plus dot 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 plus till log 2020 base n. So this will be log of 2 into 3 into 4 into till 2020 divided by, sorry, base n. So this is log, this is n actually, log n base n, that is equal to 1. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. And then the nth term of the series we have to find. So this is 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 13 plus 21 plus, so this is the sum, this is the series. So here the nth term, that is Tn, is given as 9901, then we have to find the value of n. So now here the differences are in AP, that is 2, this is 4, and this difference is 6, this difference is 8. So as we can see, the differences are in AP. So we know that when the differences are in AP, when the differences of the consecutive terms, the difference of the consecutive terms are in AP, then the nth term can be written in the form of, nth term can be written as Tn equal to an square plus bn plus c, where a, b and c are some constants. A, b and c are some constants. So now therefore here we can find A, B and C. A, B and C can be obtained by using T1, the first term, second term and the third term. So therefore here T1, that is given as 1. So that will be equal to A into 1 square plus, so here n is equal to 1. So it is into 1 square plus B into 1 plus C. So A plus B plus C, that is equal to 1. And then T2, so T2 is equal to 3. So that is equal to A into 2 square plus B into 2 plus C. So it means that 4A plus B, 2B plus 4A plus 2B plus C, that is equal to 3. And then T3, that is equal to 7, the third term. So that is equal to A into 3 square plus B into 3 plus C. So that therefore I can say 9A plus 3B plus C, that is equal to 7. So this is the equation 3. And then so if we subtract these two equations, then we get 3A plus B. 3A plus B, that will be equal to 2. So it means that 9A plus 3B will be equal to 6. Therefore C is equal to 1. Now C is equal to 1. Now therefore A plus B plus C, that is equal to 1. So it means that A plus B, that should be equal to 0. A plus B plus A plus B, that is equal to 0. It means that now if we subtract these two, then we get 2A, that is equal to 2. So it means A is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1, it means that B is equal to minus 1. So therefore A is 1, B is minus 1, C is 1. So therefore the nth term can be written as n square minus n plus 1. So here we can verify also. If we put n is equal to 3, then it will be 3 square, that is 9 minus 3 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. So therefore now the n value we have to find. So here nth term is equal to 9901, then we have to find n. If this is 9901, then we have to find out n. So if we solve it, then we will get n square minus n plus 1, that is equal to 9901. So n square minus n, that is equal to 9900. So therefore n square minus n minus 9900, that is equal to 0. So if we factorize it, then we will get n minus 100 into n plus 99, that is equal to 0. So n cannot be minus, n can't be negative. Since why n is the number of the term in the series, so it cannot be negative. So therefore n should be equal to 100. So option B is the correct answer. So in any of the solutions, if you are unable to understand any of the steps or any other doubts if you have, then please write that in the comments section. Now here it is told the sum of the first n terms you have to find. So here the rth term, that is given as 1 square plus 2 square plus till r square divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till r. So therefore rth term can be written as, this will be n into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1 by 6 divided by, since it is sum of the squares, and this is r into r plus 1 by 2. So this will be r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1 by 6 into, this is 2 by r into r plus 1. So this 2 will 2 3 are 6 and these 2 will cancel out. So therefore rth term we can write simply as 2r plus 1 by 3. Now therefore the sum of n terms, that is summation tr, that is r is going from 1 to n. So here we can verify also. Here the second term is how much? It is 1 plus 4, 5 by 3. Now here also if you put t equal to 2, that will be 5 by 3. So summation r equal to 1 to n 2r plus 1 by 3. So this we can write 2 by 3 into summation r goes from 1 to n, plus this is 1 by 3 into summation 1, r goes from 1 to n. So this will be 2 by 3 into summation r, means it is n into n plus 1 by 2, means it is sum of the n positive integers. Then plus it is 1 by 3 into this is sum, we have to add 1 n times, so that is n. So 2n will cancel, so n by 3 I can take as common, and this will be n plus 1 plus 1. So this will be n into n plus 2 by 3. This is Sn. So option C is the correct answer. Then here we have to find the sum of the series. 1 by 2 into 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 into 4 into 2 square, plus this is 3 by 4 into 5 into cube, n terms. This sum we have to find. So now therefore the nth term can be written as, it is n by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into, that is 2 raised to n, 2 raised to the power n. So this can be written as n plus 2 minus 2 by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 2 power n. Or we can write it as this will be 2 into 2n plus 2 minus of n plus 2, 2n plus 2 minus of n plus 2 by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 2 power n. Okay. So this we can write it as 2 into n plus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 2 power n, minus this is n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 2 power n. Okay, so this will get cancelled here and these two will get cancelled here. So therefore dn, that can be written as, we can write power n plus 1 by n plus 2 minus 2 power n by n plus 1. Have you understood? Okay. So now therefore the rth term can be written as 2 power r plus 1 by r plus 1 plus 1 minus this is 2 power r by r plus 1. So now therefore the summation of n terms, sum of n terms, that will be summation dr, that r goes from 1 to n. So that will be equal to summation r goes from 1 to n, 2 power r plus 1 by r plus 2 minus 2 power r by r plus 1. So that will be, so first we can put r equal to 1. So this will be 2 square by 3 1 by 2 minus this is, if I put r equal to 2, that will be 2 power 3 by, plus this is 2 power 3 by 2 plus 2, that is 4, minus r equal to 2, so this is 2 square by 3, plus this is again, if I put r equal to 3, that will be 2 power 4 by 5 minus 2 power 3 by 4, plus at the end I will get 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 2 minus 2 power n by n plus 1. So here we can see that all these terms are getting cancelled. These are getting cancelled. So in the n minus 1th term, we will get 2 power n by n plus 1 minus 2 power n minus 1 by n. So these will cancel. All these will cancel. Only this term and this term will remain. So that will be 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 2 minus 2 power 1 by 2. So that is 2 by 2, that is 1. So this is 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 2 minus 1. 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 2 minus 1. So option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told that consider an infinite geometric series with the first term a and common ratio r. If the sum is 4 and the second term is 3 by 4, it means which is a r, and the sum is sum of infinite gp, that is a by 1 minus r, that is equal to 4. Then a is how much and r is how much. So now therefore ar is 3 by 4 and a by 1 minus r, that is equal to 4. So now if we take the ratio of these two, from here we can say that a is equal to 3 by 4r. So that will be 3 by 4r into 1 minus r, that is equal to 4. So therefore 4r into 1 minus r, that is equal to 3 by 4. Now therefore 4r minus 4r square, that is equal to 3 by 4. So therefore 4r square minus 4r plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 0. Now we have to find r. So from here we can write r square minus r plus 3 by 16, that is equal to 0. So therefore we are getting the quadratic equation as r square minus r plus 3 by 16, that is equal to 0. So now here the rule is that mod r should be less than 1, then only the infinite sum of infinite terms is a finite real number. So it means that if r is in between minus 1 to 1, then only so that value of r only we have to take, and any other value of r if we get, then we should exclude that. So from here r will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this will be 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 4 16, 1 minus 3 by 4 divided by 2. So this is 1 plus or minus root over 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 by 2. So therefore r can be equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 by 2, or it will be 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 by 2. So it means that r can be 3 by 4 or 1 by 4. So both values you can take. So now if okay, so now here if r is equal to 1 by 4, then ar is equal to 3 by 4. So ar is equal to 3 by 4. So therefore a should be equal to 3 then. A should be equal to, then AR is equal to 3 by 4. So therefore A should be equal to 1 then. So therefore the values of A and R can be 3 and 1 by 4, or it can be 1 and 3 by 4. So here in the options, A equal to 3, R equal to 1 by 4 is given. So therefore option D is the correct answer. For option D is the correct answer. And if A is equal to 1 and R equal to 3 by 4 also would have been one of the options, then that option also would have been correct. So here I can have A equal to 1 and R equal to 3 by 4, or I can have A equal to 3 and R equal to 1 by 4. Both the values, both the sets of solutions can be included. Now it is told that if the second and the fifth terms of a GP are 24 and 3 respectively, so here it is told that the second term of the GP is 24 and the fifth term of the GP is 3. Then the sum of the first 6 terms means S6 that we have to find. Now therefore AR is 24 and AR power 4, that is equal to 3. Now if you take the ratio, then AR power 4 divided by AR, that will be equal to 3 by 24. So 3 8s are 24, so this will be R cube. So R cube equal to 1 by 8. So therefore R should be equal to 1 by 2. The common ratio is 1 by 2. Therefore A should be equal to 24 into 2, that is 48. 48 is the first term. Therefore the sum of first 6 terms, that will be A into R power 6 minus 1 by R minus 1. Or we can say A into 1 minus R power 6 by 1 minus R. So that will be 48 into 1 minus half power 6 divided by 1 minus half. So therefore S6 will be equal to sum of the first 6 terms, that is 48 into 1 minus half power 6 means it is 1 by 2 power 6 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So this will be 48 into, this will be 2 power 6 minus 1 by 2 power 6 into, that will be 2 into, this is 2. And since this is divided by half, so 2 power 6 will cancel, this is 2 power 5. This will be 48 by 2 power 5 is 32. It's a 32. So into 2 power 6 is 8 is a 64 minus 1. So that is 4 8 is a 32. 4 is a 48. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is a 12. Then this is 3 by 2 into 63. So that is 3 3 is a 9. 3 6 is 18. 189 by 2. So option C is the correct answer. So in any of the solution steps you are unable to understand, or any other doubts if you are having, then please write us in the comments. 3, we have to find the sum to n terms. So here sum Sn is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus till n terms. So here obviously it is an AP. It is an AP with, since the common difference is 2 and the first term is 3. So therefore Sn, sum of n terms will be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that will be n by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into 2. So that will be n by 2 into 6 plus 2 into n minus 1. So that will be 3n plus n into n minus 1. So this will be n square minus n plus 3n. So this will be n square plus 2n. So this will be n into n plus 2. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is told that if A, B and C are 3 consecutive terms of an AP, so therefore I can say that 2B should be equal to A plus C, since It is told that A, B and C are in AP, and X, Y and Z are consecutive terms of a GP. So therefore I can say that y square equal to zx, y square equal to xz. Since y, it is told that x, y and z are in GP. Now then we have to find the value of x power b minus c into y power c minus a into z power a minus b. So that will be equal to x power b. So you have to write, so this will be, so from here we can also say that y by z, that will be equal to x by y. This will be x power b by x power c into y power c by y power a into this is z power a by z power b. So this we can write it as b, so this is x by z power b, this is y by x power c into this is z by y power a. Now we can say it as this is the common ratio r, suppose. So now x by z, therefore we can say that x equal to ry. So then y equal to rz. So therefore x will be equal to r square z. So x by z will be equal to r square whole power b into y by x, so y by x will be equal to 1 by r. This is 1 by r whole power c into this is z by y. So z by of y also will be 1 by r whole power a. So this will be equal to r raised to 2b minus of c plus a. Now 2b minus c plus a, that is equal to 0. So this will be equal to r power 0, which is equal to 1. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told that the first term of a GP a, that is equal to 9. The third term, yes, so the third term is ar square, that is equal to 9. A3, third term, we know that it is ar square, so that is equal to 9. The product of its first 5 terms will be, okay, so the product of its first 5 terms, so that will be obviously equal to a1 into a2 into a3 into a4 into a5. So that will be equal to a into ar square into ar power 3 into ar power 4. So this will be a is coming 1 2 3 4 5 times, so this is a power 5 into it is r power, this is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this will be a power 5 into r power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this is 3 plus 3 6 plus 4, that is 10. So this is ar square whole power 5, I can say. So ar square is 9, so this is 9 power 5. So 9 is equal to 3 square, so this is 3 square whole power 5, so this is 3 power 10. So option B is the correct answer. So here we shall solve the last question of this class. Okay, so the sum, it is told if the sum of n terms of an AP Sn is given as n square plus n, then the common difference of the AP that we have to find. So now we know that S1 is equal to the sum of first terms, means it is simply the first term only, which is A, and S2 means the sum of first two terms, that is A plus the second term, which is A plus D. So it means that S2 equals to 2A plus D. Now A is S1, so I can say S2 is equal to 2S1 plus D. So therefore D I can say that is S2 minus 2S1. So this formula we can apply to find the common difference of the AP. So now S1, that is I have to put n equal to 1, so this is 1 square plus 1, so that is equal to 2, and S2 will be equal to 2 square plus 2, that is 4 plus 2, that is 6. So therefore now D will be equal to S2, that is 6 minus 2 into 2, that is S6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. D is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So the common difference is 2. So option B is the correct answer. So hope you have understood the solutions of these questions. So here we shall end our class, and any doubts if you have, then please write us in the comments section, and any other chapter if you feel that is more difficult for you, then also write the name of that chapter in our comments section. And please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload the homeworks on every chapter. So thank you everyone.